Option 1. I see a storm, a chaotic situation in your next 48 hours. But don't worry because this reading is about good things happening. So, whatever happens, remember it is a blessing. You might have received less of something, or something might have reduced, or you feel some sort of lack. Maybe you wanted to travel somewhere and that didn't happen, or maybe you had to stand your ground and defend yourself because you didn't receive or received less of something than what you deserved. So, when the storm hits, there might be conflicts and you might have to defend yourself further, but it is immediately going to be put to rest. There might be some conflicts or arguments with family or some community of people, people in higher authority positions, some organization, or else this could be about money, something monetary, about some abundance. There will be healing in this situation. There will be balance and justice. And you can finally rest and let go of the worries. And you won't have to defend yourself any further. It seems like some very intense, heavy cycle might be getting completed and you're coming out strong. It will bring you victory, spotlight, wish fulfillment. You might be learning or working on something that ignites your spark. It makes you feel excited. Whatever's going away was keeping you stuck and trapped in some way. But because you stood your ground against it, you are getting this justice and wish fulfillment. This new opportunity that I mentioned, that could be the same thing or it could be something different. This storm could be this opportunity coming in all of a sudden, and it is an exciting opportunity, and you will adapt to it. You're going to be working together in a team with people. I see multiple powerful people. If this all was about health for you, I just want to mention that if you were struggling with health issues for a long period of time, lacking rest, lacking sleep, lacking the vitality, you are regaining your strength. You will all of a sudden be healed. You will start feeling excitement and passion once again. That's your message. Take care. Option 2. You might be in a stage right now where you're about to give birth to something. It could be a little child, or it could be a project, or a new beginning. You might be nurturing it, you might be fighting for it. At the same time, I see some strong resistance. You might also be refusing to step into this new beginning. Even though you want it, you might be fearing it. And this has got to do something with your past, which is putting you in this lack, fearful mentality. There might have been some loss or lack of finances or love from your family or some community, which might have caused a lot of hurt and pain, which might have made you feel trapped, closed off, or indecisive about something. And somewhere you're still holding on to the past pain and hurt of whatever happened. While that is totally valid, don't let it stop you from experiencing what is about to come. In the next 48 hours, you are going to achieve a huge milestone. You are going to succeed and you are going to be super happy. You are going to feel super grateful and you will be celebrating it. You are going to have a lot of fun in the celebration. But I also see some energy from your past still lingering, as in you still might be in some sort of a defensive or protecting yourself mode. I'm here to tell you it's okay to put your guard down. Have fun and enjoy. You are going to have people supporting you, working together with you, even future planning with you. Don't worry. Defensive energy is going to shift and you are going to look good. You're going to feel confident. This new beginning is something really close to your heart. It will make your inner child happy. You feel a strong pull towards it as if it is meant for you. and it is going to come rushing in. You know what this is for you? It could be you giving birth to a child, or someone in your family giving birth to a child, someone close to you. And the entire family is very happy and celebrating it and doing some future planning. If not that, it could be you competing and landing up your dream job, or you fighting and winning over the obstacles and starting a new business or giving birth to a new project. I do see children or childlike energy somehow. Whatever you're fearing right now, drop it, because you are going to experience long lasting happiness. I also see marriage or some long lasting commitment. Whatever it is what you wished for, and you're gonna be super happy and grateful. That's your message. Take care. Option 3, in your next 48 hours, you are going to be changing how you view yourself. Currently, your view about yourself might not be so great. You might be self critical. You might be comparing yourself with others. You might be striving to be perfect. You might not be showing your true self in some ways. That is going to change into self honor and self acceptance. Either you're doing this work internally, or people around you are going to honor you and respect you for something that you're doing, or something that you do in the next 48 hours. Something is going to be ending and there is a fresh start. It could be the ending of you looking down on yourself. It could be the ending of improper thinking, lack of clarity, or literally something could be ending, and this is a blessing. Because in this fresh start, I see you moving forward with clarity and great focus. You have something specific that you are going to set out to achieve. There could be a new beginning with respect to your career. You might be starting a leadership role, or someone in an authority position could be a blessing, who might be giving you some sort of an opportunity or something tangible, or it could be something as small as getting a gift from someone. When you receive it, you still might start worrying, like how will you perform, or will you do good with whatever is it that you have received. You could have sleep issues, or there could be some hurt which is worrying you. But that's the thing. This is the energy from your past. You are this wise, intuitive person who has done the inner work, and that wisdom is going to help you move forward. You might be moving step by step, but you are building a strong, stable foundation, which is going to be a huge success. It could be something artistic, or there is some passion involved, or there could be a person who's helping you. This could involve travel, not necessarily. You might be traveling and going to meet some person who's like very emotionally matured, psychic kind of a person. This meeting is going to turn out to be very positive and you'll feel very happy. If it's not that, your psychic healing abilities are progressing. If you are meditating, you are feeling very joyful, optimistic, hopeful, happy. You're going to have an amazing experience. This new beginning could be something spiritual, something like healing, but not necessarily. It could also be that there is progress in your healing. So, in your next 48 hours, you're going to stop looking down on yourself. You're going to stop trying to be perfect. You're going to stop worrying. You are going to move forward with clarity and stability. You are going to be looking into the details, but at the same time, not strive to be a perfectionist. This is making you very happy. You will succeed. That's your message. Take care.